Hello everyone. In this video, we'll highlight some of the fun moments that we capture at the Bark in the Park Festival in San Jose. This is an annual festival and it's one of the largest dog festival with thousands of dog lovers and dogs in attendance. You will find various vendors selling dog-specific goods and services like dog spa, dog training, dog treat, clothes, sunglasses, anything and everything related to the dog. In addition, there are also fun contests like dog costume, the best costume, honor and dog look-alike, and tail wagging. It is the dog's wearing shoes and all. Hi, say hi. Can I pet him? Yeah. He's like, there's so many dogs here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Come on, boy. Lots of dogs, huh? Yeah. Look at the dog with the dress. Let's see. You want to see Peagle? Come. We are at the Bark in the Park, the biggest dog festival in America. You want some treat? Yeah. Speak. Sit down. Speak. Sit. Peagle, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Speak.
That's how he speaks. Yeah. Yeah. That's his speak.
Yeah, if you sign up for the QR code, you can win to get
Here, try to
one of
press
the
it down,
and
please.
get a free access plan.
There's a bumblebee there. Yeah, I was gonna say you gotta look alike.
Yeah,
That's perfect.
he's some sort of pity mix. We don't know what he's mixed with. Yeah.
Which one you want? Oh, he likes this one. He seems to like it.
American Pit Bull and American
It's $3.93 with the discount. I mean, it's purple, boy.
Definitely
It's okay,
got
just
the,
keep it.
Thank you.
Ripple head.
Peagle!
Yes. Well, and her fur is the longest any of the pitties we've
I guess I'll leave it here. So cute. I got him the hey, I got you the fish
Yeah, we're
stick.
not sure what he's mixed with, so
Oh.
who knows?
Yeah, I think pitties are among the
He-
most
oh, it's a girl?
promiscuous. They mix with everything.
Can I give it to her? Collars.
No tricks, just treats.
Hi. I'm going to get tangled. We made him try sunglasses. He hated.
Like a tuxedo. That's way too small for him, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People wouldn't him. No, it wouldn't.
Okay, check it.
So it'd probably be the internet.
Go to YouTube.
Be nice.
Hey, there's a kissing booth.
Plucked up real fast. Make some noise in third place. Rusty, aka Thomas the Train.
Yay! Come on,
I'm telling
Rusty.
you, I could bring the. I'll bring it to you. I don't. Oh, he's good. He's
Rusty,
built for
good
it.
job, Rusty.
He's built for it, man.
Oh.
Look at that boy. Dun, 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 dun.
Third
It's probably great exercise too. Make some noise for Rusty.
Yay, Rusty.
Hey, dude. Good job, buddy. You're the man. Okay.
I like that
In
dress.
second
Lady
place,
with a hat.
reintroducing royalty to the stage. Please make some noise for Lady Di.
Oh, yeah.
Where is she at? She's over there. Oh my goodness, she's so fancy. I would take the stairs. You want to take the stairs? Yeah, that was just for the dog with the wheels.
Ah,
I think
okay.
if you got paws, you want to do the stairs.
Lady
so
with a
Lady
Di.
Di, ladies and gentlemen.
Lady Di now.
Coming to the stage looking very fancy. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Is she a Weimaraner?
Woo.
Oh, beautiful. How old is Lady Di?
Lady Di.
She's a 9-year-old Weimaraner. Oh, wow, that's a good-looking dog. Make some noise for Lady Di, ladies and gentlemen.
Yay. You sit down
And
there.
in first place,
Easy, go sit down.
super handsome dude.
Ooh.
First
One of my
place.
favorite little buddies on earth. When we got the guy, his little nails were growing all the way into his paws, made me cry. And we picked the best family to adopt him, and I think that's super awesome. It seems unfair, but I'm not the judges, dude. If I was the judges, I'd be looking at it crooked, because this is one of my rescue dogs. Make some noise for the sheriff of Pugsville, Donald the Pug.
Where's Donald?
Where is he at? Where is he at? Where is he at? Oh my goodness,
there.
Donald the Pug. Donald, hey man, it's a long way. We came a long way, buddy. We came a long way. Make some noise for our top 3 winners. Sheriff of Pugsville, Lady Di, and he's just sleeping on the job over there. Thomas the Train. All right. When you get a chance, head on down over there, and they got your prizes for you. I'll help Thomas get down because he looks like, oh, he's back up once again, back on his feet so fast. Make some noise for our amazing contest winners and all of the people who entered in this contest. Your dogs are all amazing. Beautiful dogs. Thank you for bringing them out. Thank you for letting us see your beautiful dogs. All right, little Minnie's doing some wagging. Little Minnie's doing some wagging. That's a pretty big tail for a pretty small dog, right? Fluffy, come on, let's show them how we do it. Let's show them how we do it. Look at that tail. It's a little pom-pom. Look at that thing. She's so excited. 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 Okay, what about you, Miss Blue? Miss Blue is fully tucked. Okay, let's see this one. Okay.
Peagle was exhausted and tired after walking for almost 2 hours, but he had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.